Hello folks, Peter Westerman here, just rabbited on as I do. This is one of the loves of my life, steam engines. Of course, when I left school, I was a fireman on the Great Central Railway in the UK. And believe it or not, I have actually drove the Flying Scotsman. All true, of course. I'm just rabbited on. I sometimes forget what I'm ringing about, phoning about. But when you get 85, you get like this. Anybody got any interest in steam engines? Just talk to me sometime. And I've got such a collection of books. I've been going through them. I've got a wonderful collection of books that I would like to give to someone, because at 85, I don't need them anymore. Anyway, talk to you again. Bye folks.